That's what I needed. Oh, perfect. This way. Oh, there we go. That's what I needed. Oh, perfect. So next what I have to do is, with clear silicone that's made for bathrooms, I have to caulk down the wall and along the floor, on the inside and on the outside, and that'll seal it up and also probably provide a really strong lock, to the wall. This is a 3/8 panel. It's 78 tall and it's 30 wide, but I really like 3/8. It gives you that feel, that substantial feel. We got a quote to get this panel and the other panel, $1,300 for both. They were going to measure, order the glass, 6 to 8 weeks, $1,300 for the two of them. We found these at Lowe's, and they're not in the store. They don't even know they carry them, but on their online store. The 30 and the 24. Took a little searching. It wasn't easy at first. It's actually a shower door. If I would have done a custom, I would have done this one shorter. The other one's perfect height because there's no drop. These panels ended up costing $230.
About $230 a piece.
$230 each, delivered to here, $460, and then my labor. So that means that essentially we saved
About
$800 plus the tax on that, because I did the labor myself. Now, they're buying the panels, they're going to get it customized, they're going to send somebody out to measure. Then they're going to order it, then they're going to bring it out, then they're going to install it. So obviously their price is fair for the service that they're offering. And also, when I'm installing this, I could have broken it. First time I've ever done this. So obviously carpentry skills and working on houses, a lot of this translates, plumb, level, drilling holes in tile, things like that. So when I do the next one, I will record the entire process. It'll be a little bit smaller, and I've done it, so it'll go, this one went pretty smooth, but the next one, obviously, I'll do exactly like this, and I'll have more height to move it in, so it'll be a little easier to deal with. And then I'll have the silicone, and I'll caulk that one. So I'll do the start to finish on the other one, but at least you got to see it, and on this one panel, we're ahead by, at least $400. So sometimes sweat equity pays off, and sometimes it doesn't. To make this easy, I'm going to go 1 inch off the sluter to the center where I'm going to drill the hole. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch tile bit to drill the 2 holes in the tile. I'm also going to use it to drill the tile in the floor, although this is a concrete tile, so the floor will be a lot harder to drill. This stuff here on the wall should be soft enough. I should be able to go through it pretty easy. The instructions call for me to put an 1/8 inch piece of this bumper, silicone bumper, about 3 inches out from the wall, and then to take a piece of the 1/16 and put it inside of the bracket on the floor. I don't need any on the walls. If you enjoy these how-to videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, when you subscribe, to ring the notification bell, because that's the only way that YouTube will let you know that I put up another video. There's going to be a lot of videos about all kind of stuff like this, and should be really helpful for do-it-yourself, or even if you're a professional and you're remodeling your own home and tackling areas of things like this, where I'm a carpenter, not a shower door guy, but it was one of those things where timing and cost drove me to look at my options, and I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.